Civil engineer. His father worked as a civil engineer. Build. They're building new houses by the river. Construction. She works in the construction industry. Accuracy. The accuracy amount of concrete for the foundation is 1,000 cubic meters. Detailed. We need to make a detailed project description. Careful. Be careful with the glasses. Progress report. They need to update the progress report once a month. Budget. The total budget of the ABC project is $4 billion United States dollars. Material. Concrete is the most important material for construction. Contractor. Peter is a contractor. Concrete. They are pouring concrete.
Hey, if you learned something from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to English for Construction channel to learn more about the English for Construction. Keep watching.
Equipment. There are many types of construction equipment. Cement. He used to carry 3 bags of cement at a time. Brick. The chimney was made of bricks. Scaffolding. Scaffolding has been erected around the building. Manager. Mike is a handsome manager. Experience. I have 7 years of experience in the construction industry. Project. My next project is decorating the kitchen. Leadership skills. Jim has perfect leadership skills. Take part in. John currently takes part in a road and bridge project. Responsibility. One of a supervisor's most important responsibilities is managing a team. Fulfill. He finally fulfilled his ambition to run a construction company. Patience. He's a man of great patience. Disciplined. Those managers are well disciplined. Flexible. My schedule is flexible. Deadline. The deadline for bids was yesterday lunchtime. Delay. The concrete work has been delayed for 6 hours. Rewarding. Is it a rewarding job? Outstanding. You've done an outstanding job. Requirement. A good degree is a minimum requirement for many jobs.
Hey, if you learned something from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to English for Construction channel to learn more about the English for Construction. Keep watching.